So the trees would have been planted in 1745, making them 276 years old. Quite incredible.
Yeah.
They would have been planted by Lochiel of the time in 1745, as we understand, as an avenue. But when the call came in that Bonnie Prince Charlie had landed, it suddenly changed the way he had to operate. So they were just dug in as they are. So if you can see them all grouped together in strange numbers. And then the idea would have been that he would have come back to plant the avenue properly. You might not think, a tree that size, there's no way that's 250 years, 270 years old.
Mm-hmm.
Counted the rings, and yes, they are actually that old. We have a few trees that have come down more recently, and we have collected that wood for you. It's just up at the castle just now, ready for you to use.